you crap! Stop being in my face! Good lord. Ow. Button. You may have noticed that there is a yellow door. You don't have the yellow door. Yes, thank you very much. You see the algorithm is not right. And then the last one is right over here. Now, there is a partial invisibility there for a reason. Alright, so I'm going to grab that. Gonna zoom across. Open the door up. Grab the yellow key. Open the door for your first and only second. I like to poke him. I like to poke him. I like to poke him. You like to poke him. I like poking these guys. Do you like poking these guys? I like poking these guys. Pick up the switch to lower these walls down and open it up for your first switch. We gotta come back here just. We'll come back here just. Let's go to the... You missed! You got me! Is that it? Okay, so yeah. Flip the switch, up in the wall, flip the other two switches, and the door that we went to right now, you can just open up the door, grab all our armor bonuses, open this door up, and we're done.